Welcome to this demonstration of using the GradeSync feature in eCampus to send your students' grades over to STAR without your having to manually enter them into STAR. In this demonstration, we will first look at preparing the gradebook for GradeSync. Then we will see how to sync to STAR. The first step is to click Gradebook from the main menu. You will need to set up a column called the overall grade so that it can be sent to STAR to record the student's midterm and final grades. If you see this message, you have not yet set it up. You can get started by clicking this button. However, you may have hidden the message. In that case, you can still set up the overall grade by clicking the Settings icon. In Gradebook Settings, scroll until you reach Overall Grade and then click Set Up Overall Grade. After clicking the link, you will first choose the format for setting up the overall grade, and you can then adjust the default settings based on the number of points assigned when the items within the categories were first set up. You can change how categories will be weighted, choose whether to drop lowest or highest grades, and remove specific graded items from the calculation. You can see details on how to set this up by clicking the link within the description of this video. After you have set up the overall grade, it will be listed in gradable items. Before you go into GradeSync, be sure to click the button to post the grades for any item displaying the Post button. Otherwise, these grades will not be part of the overall grade calculation. When you are ready to submit the grade, from the Content page, click View Course and Institution Tools. In the list of tools, scroll to locate LTI GradeSync and click the link. You will see a message that GradeSync is being launched. Click the Midterm or Final tab. The grades will then populate into the appropriate column. Change any grades if necessary. If you have auditors or others in the class not receiving a grade, delete the grade from the cell. If a student is receiving an F for non-attendance, enter that student's last date of attendance. Then click the Submit button. You will see a verification of the number of successful submissions and a check mark in the row for the students whose grades were successfully submitted. You may also want to log into STAR just to double check that the grades are now in STAR. It's possible that you will see an error message when you try to sync. If you see this message, it means that you are not the instructor set up for the course in STAR. Only one instructor can be set up in STAR for a course, so this error may occur when a course has multiple instructors. Only the instructor whose name appears in STAR can sync the grades. This message may appear if you manually entered or changed a grade and mistakenly entered an incorrect letter. Just enter the correct grade. This message may appear if an auditor is enrolled or the instructor has saved work submitted by the preview user in Student Preview. Just delete the grade from those cells. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching.